Hello, it's Maura from Do Money Like It Makes Sense. We are on the Manage Your Lifestyle portion, deconstructing the financial pyramid layer by layer. Today we are talking about life insurance. It does not need to be scary. Life insurance is a tool to help manage risk. Why do I have all these images on here? Well, I believe life insurance is to protect what you own, what you owe, what you earn, and those you love. So what is it? Well, there are lots of kinds of life insurance available, and I could do hours of video about term insurance, whole life, universal life, T100, hybrid solutions. And really what I'm trying to accomplish today is to increase your understanding of what life insurance is for, what it can do for you and the ones you leave behind, and also feel comfortable speaking with a licensed advisor about how much and what kind of coverage you need. Full disclosure, I know usually in these videos I'm saying I'm not a lawyer or I'm not an accountant, but I am a licensed insurance advisor. So providing guidance and advice about insurance option is part of what I do, and I am biased towards insurance. It should be part of everybody's financial plan. When someone tells me I don't believe in insurance, that's great. Insurance isn't a religion or a belief system. It's a way of mitigating risk, and it is a safety net in case of something unexpected. It is putting coverage in place before you need it, and putting it in place does not make you more likely to need it. So what is it used for? Well, according to Carl Richards, who is the author of the One-Page Financial Plan, it is a way to replace an economic loss. It's not going to replace the emotional loss. No amount of money can do that. It simply provides breathing room, so serious financial decisions don't need to be made under difficult emotional circumstances. And it's one of the reasons why having the discussion can feel difficult, because we are putting a financial value on someone's loss. How much do I need? Well, we're going to speak in generalities. My suggestion is you complete a full needs analysis with a licensed professional, or go online and complete one yourself. ManulifeInsureRight.ca is a great place to get started there. So here are some things to consider, and the list is not exhaustive. Final needs. So what expenses do you anticipate at your death? Burial, cremation, a service, a celebration of life? Are you paying off any outstanding debt? Anything that you owe, mortgages, loans, vehicles, credit cards. Income replacement, and this can be a very personal question. Is it your income for 10 years? Until the kids are 18? Until my spouse retires? And how much of your income? Is it 50%? Is it 75%? What kind of questions should you ask yourself when thinking about life insurance? If I were gone tomorrow, how do I want life to look for the people I'm leaving behind? Do I want their standard of living to be the same? Do I want it to be better? Do I want to leave a legacy? Do I want to pay off debt? It's very subjective. And when I ask, how do I want life to look question of my clients, the answers have ranged from enough money to put me in the ground to I never want them to have to worry financially again. It's really entirely up to you. When you are entering into a life insurance contract with an insurance company, you are asking them to take on your risk. So what are they looking for when they're completing an assessment? Your age, your current health, including height and weight, your health history, in some cases your family's health history, your lifestyle choices. This may include alcohol and drug use, smoking, travel. Are you going to dangerous countries? Are your hobbies and avocations more risky? And in some cases, your occupation. And they're also looking at your financial need. There are financial underwriting guidelines to ensure that the insurance benefit amount is filling a need and the client is not overinsured. And a needs assessment will ensure that you are not underinsured. When should I get it? Well, we often wait on life insurance until we think we can afford it. We pay off some of our debt. We have more disposable income. What do I think? Get as much as you need. Get it now. You are as young as you are ever going to be today. And if your circumstances change, you can adjust your coverage. No apologies here. I recommend you work with a professional licensed advisor to help you determine how much and what type of coverage you need. And get coverage with a reputable provider with good claims history. Make sure you understand the terms of the coverage. This wraps up our high-level overview of life insurance. And again, we are going to walk through this whole financial pyramid. If you're putting everything in place or reviewing everything on this pyramid, you are going to have a solid financial footing, foundation, and future. I am Maura from Do Money Like It Makes Sense. Thanks for following along.